The first step is to open UN Comtrade Analytics, the trade dashboard. I'm looking for data on Haiti's rice imports from the United States. Let's choose Import from Flow of Trade. Click Import and confirm selection. Click Select Commodity. Type name of your product in Search in list box. So, I searched for rice. The HS code is 042. Click Confirm Selection. Click Select Country/Area. Search in list box for your country. I will choose Haiti. Click Confirm Selection. Now, click Select Year. Click on the year. I want data for 2015. Click Confirm Selection. Haiti's import of rice in 2015. Origin of imports. Haiti imported $184 million of rice from the USA in 2015. Scroll down to look at some more patterns. For example, the various regions that export to Haiti. Total amount imported by Haiti. Now let's focus on US as the exporter of rice. Scroll down and click Flow of Trade. Click and deselect Import. Click Export. Click Confirm Selection. Click Select Country/Area. Deselect Haiti. Click and select USA. Click Confirm Selection. I want to make sure that I have selected rice. Click Confirm Selection. Click Select Year. I choose 2015. Confirm Selection. Destination of US exports. The US exported rice to the following countries in 2015. Haiti is a significant market for the US. It ranks among the top 5. But Thailand is the biggest market for US's exporters. Scroll down to see more patterns of rice export from the US. Go ahead, explore more stats. Don't forget to clear all of the previous settings. Have a blast.